I have here a replacement battery for the Makita 18 volt battery system. Let's go ahead and take this out here. So here is the replacement battery. You can see this has the same look and design as the standard Makita batteries, 18 volts, 6 amp hour lithium ion, and it does have the connector up top here for the battery management, and it has the push button power voltage right there, so you can see just how much it's charged. So here's just a closer view. You can see the battery here. You can see it's got the standard slots here for the positive and the negative terminals, as well as the BMS system to make sure that it's charged correctly right there. It has just the pull down tab like you'd expect on any battery that fits the Makitas. And again, it's 18 volt, 6 amp hour lithium ion. Okay, so I went and grabbed a scrap piece of 2x4 here so we can test this battery out. And I also grabbed my Makita drill. This is just standard Makita drill. And then go ahead and show you. Slips right on. And it works just great. I'm going to test drilling into this. This is a wet piece of wood, so it might be a little bit harder. You can see it's drilling just fine. I was able to push right through it, so it's got plenty of power, and it fits really well, just like the standard Makita batteries. So in my garage here, got my Makita charger sitting here. This replacement battery. Just going to slip it in, push it on, and you can watch. You can see it immediately starts charging, and it'll beep as soon as it's done charging. So this 18 volt replacement Makita battery is going to be super handy. It's the 6 amp hour version, and on the bottom here it does even have the BL 1860 part number, so it's going to match just like the Makita batteries do. So if you're in need of a nice Makita replacement battery, this is going to be a great choice for you.